Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Translator and background apps in your desktop PC or laptop. So as you can to turn off Translator and background apps in your desktop PC or laptop, so very easy. First you click on Start, type here Settings. Click on Privacy. Click on Background apps. Here option Translator. So if you want to enable, disable or turn off, so select off position. There is. So as this is very simple and easy method if you want to translate our background apps in your desktop PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest updates. Please comment this video useful or not. Thank you for watching this video.